issued a severe thunderstorm warning. Please take your positions now.
Severe thunderstorm watch.
Attention JNIT Labs employees. This is a severe thunderstorm warning. Please take weather precautions now.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
I'm seriously holding the
Stay
paper
tuned to
exercise
NOAA weather
right now.
radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest
Woo!
severe weather information.
Well, now for the exit sign. The next video. Peace out.